Hello guys, good day, and today's video, naka-receive po tayo ng invitation from SM City Uptown. And today is pupunta po tayo sa isa sa pinakamasarap na unlimited seafoods buffet dito sa Uptown, Cagayan de Oro. So in a few minutes, malapit na ako. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Kain po tayo sa Seafood Paradise. For only 499 pag weekdays at saka 599 pesos naman pag weekend kayo kakain dito. They have 25 unlimited seafoods buffet with native Filipino dishes plus lechon baboy and lechon baka. With its new management, Seafood Paradise will satisfy your seafood cravings. So, visit now. Seafood Paradise is located at the ground level of SM City Uptown North Wing.